Texas homeowners, if you feel like your insurance rates are just doubling and going way high, even though you haven't made any claims, listen up because here's why. I've been having a lot of conversations with sellers and homeowners who are saying that both their homeowners insurance and their car insurance rates are going way up. Last week at our office meeting, we had one of our trusted insurance providers come and talk to us about some of the reasons why this is occurring. Number one, I thought it was interesting to know that out of every $100 that were charged for a premium in 2022, the top 20 insurance carriers were paying out 112. Because of that, about 70% of this insurance provider's customers saw at least a 20% increase on their renewal date. So why? Why is it happening? Number one, we've got a rare situation in Texas where extreme weather, increasing population, and inflation are all coming together. Dallas, among Austin and Houston, have been in the top 10 areas where they've seen increases in population growth. So I think we're going to see increases for a while. Next, let's talk about the supply chain and loss of use. So this happens whenever you are displaced from your home while the insurance company is making repairs, whether that's water damage, maybe like back in 2021 when we had the ice apocalypse, everyone's pipes burst and they were out of their house. Well, because the insurance companies can't get the supplies that they need to make their repairs, homeowners are staying in the hotels and Airbnbs for a lot longer, and that's coming from the insurance companies. Next, let's talk about extreme weather. Not just the heat, but mainly the wind and hail. So the extreme weather causes more accidents. This leads to more roadside assistance claims. During the repair, you guessed it, supply chain issues again. While the owner of the car is waiting for their car to be fixed, they're in a rental car, they're in the rental car longer, which is costing the insurance company more money. Finally, there's been a shortage of cars for purchase. So people are keeping their cars longer than usual. Because of that, they might not be taking care of their vehicles as good as they would. And because of that, they're breaking down more, which is causing more roadside assistance claims. Now remember, the roadside assistance calls count as claims. That raises rates. And I know in some of the towns around here, there's been a lot of potholes. There's been a lack of repair of some of the roads. People are complaining. Well, cities are blaming, again, supply chain issues, labor shortages, and so they're just putting Band-Aids on these roads and they're not really fixing them. So there's obviously more factors at play here, but hopefully this sheds some light on why you're going to see an increase more than likely at your next renewal. If you need a great insurance provider here in North Texas, I have some fantastic ones. Please reach out. I'd be happy to share their info. Plus, I'm about to have a 16-year-old boy on my car insurance policy soon, so if you see me hiding in a ditch,